This is AnyDesk. AnyDesk is a remote desktop application. It's free, so we can use it to connect to our device.
It works like a Bluetooth.
Yeah, it's
You can connect from the...
Okay, so now we'll launch StockMagic. So this is StockMagic. You skip. Yeah, I go to master list. This has existing item, but what I want to do is export import template. That template that we just deleted.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so let me create a folder and call it StockMagic Training. StockMagic Training. So I'm going to drop it in that folder. StockMagic Training. Now we have the template. What we need to do now is just to transfer it. I can also transfer it using a cable. Yeah. So document, client, StockMagic Training. StockMagic Training. So this is the template we exported. So we'll bring it into desktop, StockMagic Training, and we'll paste it here. So this is how to transfer data files from phone to your computer. Yeah, so this is the template we need to populate now. You see that it's blank. So it has all these column headers. So these are the column headers we are going to populate. We're coming here now to export all this data and populate that Excel.